Do you know any impacts of too much pizza on your heart health? Excessive consumption of high-calorie pizza, especially those rich in saturated fats and sodium, can negatively and significantly impact your heart health. Those saturated fats contribute to the buildup of cholesterol in the bloodstream, which can lead to the formation of plaques in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Over time, those plaques can narrow and harden the arteries, restricting blood flow to the heart and increasing the risk of heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. The high sodium content in pizza can also lead to elevated blood pressure. This is because sodium attracts water, causing an increase in blood volume and putting added strain on the heart as it pumps blood throughout the body. Over time, consistent high blood pressure can damage your arteries and organs, including the heart, leading to conditions like hypertension and heart failure. To protect your heart health, it's essential to moderate your pizza consumption, opt for healthier toppings, such as vegetables and lean proteins, and balance your pizza intake with a variety of nutritious foods that support cardiovascular health, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Take caution and be careful. For more relevant and useful health info, subscribe to the channel.